Imagine being recruited for a harmless sleep study and slowly losing your mind. In 1951, in Montreal, psychiatrist Dr. Ewen Cameron began experiments funded in part by the CIA. Patients checked in to the Allen Memorial Institute for Anxiety or Depression. They expected therapy. Instead, they were subjected to what Cameron called psychic driving, high-voltage electroshock far beyond normal limits, drug-induced comas lasting weeks, repeated audio messages played thousands of times while patients were unconscious. The goal wasn't treatment, it was erasing the mind, wiping personalities clean to rebuild them from scratch. Some patients forgot how to talk. Others lost memories of their families. Many left unable to function independently. The experiments became part of the CIA's secret MK Ultra program, exploring mind control during the Cold War. The truth surfaced years later, triggering lawsuits and public outrage. Sometimes the most dangerous experiments don't happen in hidden bunkers. They happen in hospitals, where people go asking for help.